What's ready today, please? Any volunteers? Okay, remember this is the easiest question of the day is this one. Awesome. Okay, Galen, can you catch? Okay, Galen, let's start off here. So this is February 15th, 2018. View full screen. Oops. Okay, we got, let's see, -2 plus 3 minus 4 times 2 squared times 4 minus 2. Okay, this is a bed mass question, as you can see. Now, remember, bed mass is every type of question, not just this type of question. Galen, what is the very first thing you should do for bed mass, please? Brackets. Okay, so which bracket do you want to start with, the left one or the right one? Sounds good to me. What's the first thing we do inside this bracket? Good. So what is -4 times 2, please?
-1 times 2?
Yeah. Very good. Wonderful, tremendous, awesome. All right, Ben, you're up next. So we're going to do the brackets again. What's 3 minus 8, please?
5.
Close? Is it 5? It's -5, right? 8 small 8s, you know, bigger than the other 3. This is going to be hard to pass. Oh, I think we're going to Trent. I'm going to you, even though you don't Spider-Man, okay? Trent, what is 4 minus? It's okay. What is 4 minus 2, please? Very good. Okay, this is looking really good. All right, Kevin, what do we do next, please?
You do exponent.
Awesome. So what's -5 squared? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Very good. Okay, so just remember here, again, 2 negatives make a positive. That's awesome. Wonderful, tremendous, excellent. All right, Quentin, what do we do next, please?
25 times 2.
Good. What's 25 times 2? This is a big number.
50.
Awesome. All right, Caleb, you're up. 50 minus 2 is?
48.
Wonderful. If you guys can do this question, you should have aced your test yesterday. Okay? Because that's the sort of stuff that was on it. Hopefully that's pretty good for most people. Any questions or concerns before I move on? You guys are so polite. They're so polite, these guys. Okay, letter B. All right, we got 1/2 plus 1/3 times 1/4. All right, Alan, what's the very first thing I should do on this one, please, other than take my earbud out?
The dish.
Take your earbud out first. Go ahead, what would you do first?
You do the dish connection.
Yang. What comes first in bed mass here?
Bed mass. What?
Multiplication, right?
Oh.
So we're gonna do this part first.
That's still bed mass?
Okay.
On the assignment.
So this is the thing. Bed mass is everywhere in life. Never in life are you not going to use bed mass. Okay, even though it's a fraction, and this is a little tricky. This is a tricky question, right? I'm with my teacher. I can be mean, okay? But no, this is one. Again, bed mass is everywhere in life. You're never not going to use bed mass in a math question. All right, so that was a trick. All right, Alan. With that said, can you please tell me what 1/3 times 1/4 is, please?
2 wait a minute. Yeah. 1/12.
Wonderful. Excellent. Awesome. Okay, so 1/3 times 1/4 is 1/12. Emma, what do we do next when we're adding fraction, please? Very good. What's my common denominator going to be? 12. Very good. You could have also used 24. I got 24 from 12 times 2, but Emma saw there's a quick way to do this. Emma, on the left-hand side, please. What do we multiply by on the left-hand side?
12.
Sorry?
No,
Good. And on the right-hand side, we times by? 1 by 1 or something. Okay. Aaron, what is 6 times 1, please?
6.
What is 1 times 1?
1.
Finish it off. What is 6 over 12 plus 1 over 12?
It's 7 over 12.
7 over 12. And if you did over 24, you'll still get the same answer. Just it wouldn't have been in lowest terms, right? It would have 14 over 24 and then divide by 2 and go from there. All right. Cool. All right. Sort of good? It's all right, mostly? Good, now we're on to something totally new. Okay, today's title is going to be called Polynomials. So I can't see that. February 15th, 2018. That's a big fancy word. So remember on your table of contents, a little bit of checking your notes eventually. Okay, right? But on your table of contents, a couple more other things about this. Did you good job? Okay, so remember on the table of contents, Emily's done a really good job so far on this. Okay, right? So we got a date down here, title of the lesson, saying on what page. Okay, we don't have much homework this year, but that's all right. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of terminology because I like terminology in math class. It's very important to understand what I'm saying and for us to talk properly about things. 3 is a special name. That's a big, huge name. Coefficient. All right. And this right here is called the term. So I'm going to say if, I'll go to the next page, sorry. If 2 terms have the same base, an exponent, you can add and subtract coefficients. Did I forget your attendance?
Oh, no. No. All right, nice.
Okay, so remember guys, I do a little tiny note every day at the end of my tiny note, and we got a million examples. I don't know the whiteboard, so it's more usual, okay? Emily as well? Okay, so the part that I'm trying to say is here, we're going to be adding and subtracting the number in front, okay? So if the bases are the same, if there's x squareds or x's or y's or z's, as long as you have x's, you can bring all the x's together and add the coefficients, so add the numbers in front. If there's like, again, the coefficient of the term has to be the same. I don't know if you know this about Mrs. Simmons. You don't think she wants to be a math teacher? That's like one of her personal goals.
I was at one time.
She was a French teacher too, but she was disappointed. She came to high school, she didn't want to be a French teacher, though. She just wanted to be a math teacher.
Yeah.
Just we broke the French all the time, not for this class.
Mr. Sadler's classes at English. Yeah.
N'est pas true. N'est pas true.
Music.
No, c'est ne vrai pas.
Spanish and
Here you go, example 1. Let's start with the nicest one. So I'm saying something like this. Oops, it's okay. All right. X plus X. Now this you're saying this is sort of the foundation of algebra. We're just combining things. No one's asking what X is. It just represents any number. Okay, like we could have X equals 5, X equals 20, X equals 30. You think it's oh my goodness, just leave it. Okay. You're making it worse before you're getting it better. The delicate balance may act here. Okay. Now here's a trick for this one. How many X's do we have here? 2 altogether, right? So what we're going to say is there's an invisible 1 here, and there's an invisible 1 here. If you say 1x and 1x, it's going to be 2 X's. It's the same way if that was like 1 banana and 1 banana is 2 bananas. And the idea is if the bases are the same, you just add the coefficients. Okay, so add the number in front. Letter B. Here we go. Completely up to you. Ben, I think we're back to you, I think, for some reason. Okay, if you take 5x's and you add 3x's, what's the total going to be, please? Let's try it. So it's going to be 5 of something and 3 of something, right? That's going to be 8 of something, right? So 8x. Okay? So let's see what we're doing here. We're just simplifying. That's all we're doing. We're taking something complicated, and we're going to get really complicated here in a minute.
You're just adding them.
That's all we're doing. Now this is the part, this is more that probably you've seen a lot happen in your life. Are you ready for this one? You don't need ready. If I say 4x minus 3x, 1x. Very good. There will be some people in this class. It's called, there, just kidding. There will be somebody just equals 1. The x's don't disappear, right? It's 4 of something minus 3 of something is 1 of something. Okay, that's what we're saying. Is it good? That makes sense? Very good, Dylan. Okay. Alright, I want you guys to try this one for me. We'll do, actually, no, I'll do this one and then we'll try, let's do this try one. D. Because this one's way too complicated. Uh-oh. Does everyone know that left word? Sorry? I'm not done yet, even. Does everyone know that left word?
No.
Okay, a second, because this question just keep on going. This is my first awesome question of the year. It's awesome, but it's going to take 2 boards. This is what makes me happy. Okay, we're in grade 9 applied. This is a grade 9 applied level question. Okay? Now, there's no one can deny it. That is a complicated question. Our whole goal in math is every line to make things easier. That's the whole goal. Okay? The key to this question is the x's can come together, the y's can come together, and the numbers can come together. Okay? That's all that can combine. So what I'm going to do is it's going to be called, I'm going to collect like terms. And what that means is bring like things together. What that means is I'm going to go all the way along the top line, and I'm going to take all the x's and write them together. And then I'm going to go all the way to the top line, take all the y's and write them together, and then go all the way on the top line, do all the numbers and put them together. I'm just doing that because it's easier. This is a big complicated question, right? So Kevin, you're going to help me out. What are all my x's? Start me off with my x's. Go ahead. 5x, good. Now what I'm going to do, sorry to interrupt. As soon as I do, I'm just going to put a little tiny check mark or a stroke through it. Okay, just because you don't want to forget it. Just want to make sure. Sorry, Kevin, keep going. This is minus 2x. Okay, good.
And then there's plus.
Very good. Yeah, was a plus x in there too. Okay. Plus x. So see what we're doing now? Because now this part we can bring together, right? The x you can bring together here now. Right? Make sense? Trent, I think we're back to you, I think, for some reason. I think we're back to you. What do you do with the y's, please? Right, do you with the y's, please?
Put them together.
Yes, go ahead. What are the y's?
3y.
Yeah.
4y.
Yeah, it's a minus 4y. And one thing I should just notice here, okay? Whatever the symbol is, like in front, like the negative's connected to the 4 there, right? It's not just the 4. Okay. Sorry, keep going.
Plus 3y.
That's 3y, very good. All right, Aaron, you're up. Numbers, please. Where are the numbers left, please?
8,
Yeah.
5.
Good. Now this looks scary, okay, right? But if you keep the question organized, it's not that bad. Emma, can you show off your math skills, please? What are we going to combine first? What are we going to do? Good, go ahead. So what's 5x minus 2x plus 1x? Okay, so 5 minus 2 is 3x.
4.
And then plus 1x is 4x. Okay, I want to see that. Please be brave and ask. Otherwise, I'm going to keep getting worse here. Okay? So all we did there is we just said 5 minus 2. And we got 3. And plus another one that equaled 4. Okay, Aaron, you good?
Yep.
Okay. Alan, be brave, please. This is more integers here. 3y minus 4y plus 3y.
it's -1 plus 3.
Yeah, -1 plus 3 plus 2, right there, plus 2y. So everyone see what we're doing here, right? So I should write here just to make sure, right? We take this as one term, this is the second term, and this is going to be the third term. Okay? All right, Caleb. Drives to Orangeville every night to play hockey. What's 8 plus 5, please?
13.
Now this was, again, a really good grade 9 level question. If you guys can do this, you're feeling you're doing really well here. Any questions and fears before I continue? All right, are you ready? Oh, you guys are still taking a break. I'll just take a breather here. So I want you guys to try and for yourselves here right now. Ready? Caleb, you don't want to quite awake this morning. You know what will wake you up? This question. All right, here we go. Letter E. I just want to do so everyone can see. That is getting complicated. That is like meeting even. I'm going to how I hit pause the video. Okay, I'll read that out just to make sure everyone's got it. Emily, you're doing this right. 4w plus 3x minus 2y plus 8w minus 3x plus 4y plus 18a plus 20. That just makes me smile as a teacher.